Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. Hope all is well. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Google Pixel Fold. I actually got an update on this device, so I wanted to go ahead and take a look at this thing and kind of show you guys what I'm talking about when it comes to the updates. Because yeah, if you actually got a Pixel Fold for the first time recently, then you're experiencing something that's very different, very actually, something that's very original, but also something that a lot of other companies have been on the radar for, because the Google Pixel Fold actually got it right when it came to a lot of things. And so that's why a lot of phone manufacturers, especially like Samsung, Apple, you know, are kind of on the trailblazing when it comes to, this design and overall form factor. So yeah, make sure you stay locked into the end of the video, because we're going to be talking about the Google Pixel Fold, which is a phone that a lot of companies have been trying to basically mimic and kind of, kind of duplicate. So yeah, let's and replicate. So let's jump into it. Make sure you stay locked into the end of the video if you're brand new to the channel. I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, make sure you stay locked into the end of the video if you're already a part of the crew. Salute. So yeah, first off, I wanted to start out with this new update that's coming out with the Pixel right now. I did notice that it came out earlier today when I was looking at it. So let me just show you this quick update that I was talking about right now. Okay, so right here, I'm actually inside of the software updates, and one of the things I noticed is that when I go into settings on my Pixel Fold right now, and I just go into the software security software patches, I noticed that when I go into security and I go into about device, it actually says that my Google Pixel Fold is actually running on Android 16, May 5th, 2026. 2000 so May 5th, 2026. So you got the May 1st Google security patch on here as well. But there's something that's actually catching my eye right now, because right now here it says that the software update available is actually your Pixel is getting a better your Pixel is getting better, even better, with the latest features and enhancements along with Android 17. So I'm on Android 16 right now, but it looks like I'm actually getting Android 17. So it says right here, with screen reactions, you can now record selfie videos while capturing what's on your screen, all without needing extra apps. So it says right here, Gemini Omni makes creating and editing videos even as easy as having a conversation. Blending images and videos bring your ideas to life. Then it also says right here, describe an idea or upload a photo, and it'll be transformed into a high quality audio track with lyrics in Gemini. You also do get easily turn your apps into floating bubbles over your main screen to check your check. You can over your main screen to check them quickly or multitask without disrupting your flow. So yeah, this is Android 17. It has screen reactions basically available for your screen recordings, and so your screen reactions are available when your screen recording is set to record the entire screen. You also have a couple of different options right here as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit download because this looks really cool. This is the Android 17 update. I'm going to actually wait for this to download right now and pause the video right now, because this is actually taking place and I don't want you guys to wait for it to download on here. So I'm just going to pause the video. But this is actually pretty exciting because we actually do have Android 17 being downloaded to the Pixel Fold right now. So this is actually pretty crazy. So yeah, all of these new features are coming to the Pixel Fold, and it's pretty exciting because this is actually the best experience I've had on a Google phone or any Android phone in general when it comes to just like an overall device. On the Android side, the Google Pixel Fold has been one of the most solid devices in ever that I've ever used on the Android side of things. And yeah, Android 17 is coming to this device right now. So this is actually pretty exciting. I'm looking forward to checking this out. I'm looking forward to taking a look at this update and seeing what this thing has to offer as far as the updates as well. So as you can see, it's actually downloading Android 17 on here. And yeah, it says you do get the new screen reactions. You can now record a selfie video overlay while capturing what's on your screen all without needing extra apps. So that's actually pretty exciting. And then the Gemini Omni makes creating and editing videos as easy as having a conversation. And then also describe an idea or upload a photo, and it'll be transformed into a high quality audio track. That's actually pretty crazy too. Like they have a lot of things coming to the Google Pixel in this update. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'm pretty excited. Looking forward to trying out this new floating bubbles over your main screen to check them quickly, and also this new feature with the high quality audio track with Gemini as well. So yeah, let's just go ahead and check this out. And if you're still here, just type down in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. Make sure you stay locked in for more videos, subscribe and get notified. Hit the bell icon so you can, know whenever a new video drops on the channel. And yeah, we're going to be going ahead and taking a look at the Google Pixel Fold right now. All right, guys. So yeah, this is the Google Pixel 17, Android 17 update. So I'm going to go ahead and update this device right now. Let's go ahead into these settings right now so we can go ahead and get it started. So click right here. And then it says right here, system update available. Your Pixel is getting even better with the latest features and enhancements along with Android 17. So you can see right here what's new. Like I said before, with screen reactions, you can record a selfie video overlay while capturing what's on your screen, all without needing extra apps. You also do have that Gemini Omni, which creates and edits videos easily as having a conversation, blends text, images, and video to bring your ideas to life. You also have this option right here where it says describe an idea or upload a photo, and it'll be transformed into a high quality audio track with lyrics in Gemini. And then it says easily turn your apps into floating bubbles over your main screen to check them quickly, or multitask without disrupting your flow. All right, so this is where things get pretty cool. You actually have your screen reactions only available when your screen is recording, is set to record the entire screen. Google AI subscription required. Features vary by tier and geography, 18 plus. Limits apply. Compatibility varies, 18 plus. Create responsibility. And then it says limited to 5 apps at a time. So let's go ahead and restart now. This is the Android 17 update to the Google Pixel Fold. So this is actually pretty crazy. Definitely looking forward to checking this out. I'm really excited. So make sure you stay locked in. And if you're still here, just type down in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people, and subscribe and get notified, and hit the bell as well. And definitely hit that new hype button as well so we can reach a wider audience. and get this video out to more people. And yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the Android 17 on the Google Pixel Fold right now. So as you can see, it is actually loading up. This is going to be pretty classic. This is going to be epic. Really excited because the Google Pixel Fold has now got the Android 17, which is crazy. I didn't expect this. This was absolutely something that I was looking forward to, but also unexpected in so many different ways. I didn't anticipate this coming as soon as it is, and it's already here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. It's going to be right in front of my hands in just a second. So I'm going to be pleasantly surprised either way. Whatever comes off of this update, it's honestly going to be pretty spectacular. I'm looking forward to trying it out and testing it. So yeah, Android 17 on the Google Pixel Fold. This is actually crazy. I can't wait to get my hands on this thing. I can't wait to try it out and see what it has to offer. Obviously, Gemini is going to have a whole bunch of features built in to enhance. If you were an AI user, obviously that's going to enhance that. Obviously, I'm not the biggest AI dude in the entire world when it comes to AI usage, but it's getting so crazy with the whole AI schematics that honestly, let's go ahead and try out so it is asking me to put my pin in here. I did that. I went ahead and put my pin in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at it for the first time. So this is Android 17. It says screen reactions. So let's go ahead and take a look at what they were talking about in some more detail. So screen reactions. This is basically a feature which allows you to start basically screen recording, so you can capture your screen and selfie camera simultaneously. So this is going to be good for obviously if you want to do social media posts, and then because you're going to have your screen selfie camera and the screen capture simultaneously, so you'll be able to do like those reactions in real time, which is crazy. It says there's no precise timing, no extra editing required. Swipe down twice from your top of your screen to access the quick settings. Find and tap the screen record tile, toggle on show selfie camera, adjust your selfie camera view, drag to move or pinch and resize, and just tap. And then it basically says once finished, tap the timer in the status bar and then tap stop. So yeah, you get these screen reactions, which is absolutely insane. And then you have the bubbles. So the bubbles for apps for easy multitasking. Basically, this is straightforward enough. You just get your bubbles for your your apps that you're using. So basically, the bubble apps will allow you to see what's going on easier. It'll just pop up on your screen. That's pretty straightforward. You also have your music creation. So this is the part that's actually pretty crazy, because you actually have music creation, which allows you to turn your ideas into custom soundtracks. So this is actually lit. This is something that's really different. I definitely think this is going to be something that most people would probably want to test out, just because it's here and it's something that I never seen before. It's going to be pretty useful. So you can create music for any moment in Gemini app, turn an inside joke or a specific mood or even a photo into an audio track, from funny jingles to lo-fi beats. Just prompt Gemini about what you want to hear and let it bring your ideas to life. So this is actually crazy. And then you also have this last option, which is create anything from everything. It says right here, it's like nano banana for video. Start from scratch, remix your camera roll, or try out a pre-made template. Just chat with Gemini naturally to add details make edits, and watch your ideas come to life. Now available in Gemini for users with a Google AI Pro or Google AI Ultra subscription. So that's the next level if you want to actually pay for the Gemini Ultra or whatever it is. So you can go ahead and it basically prompts you to go straight to Gemini. Obviously, you can keep the free one as well. It has the Plus, and then they also have the Pro, but they're pushing this AI crazy. So now they have the Ultra, and this is actually crazy, a 99 a month with that one. So that's insane, I didn't expect, to see all of these features being launched right in front of the hands and fingertips, but yeah, it's actually here. So obviously you can see the Gemini Live right here. It's saying right here. So you can basically talk to this thing real time. It's just like having a conversation with a person. You also do have, this option right here. Add yourself to any frame, create an avatar and images to create your avatar. So yeah, I'm really enjoying the Pixel Fold altogether. Honestly, the Samsung Galaxy. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this experience. Android 17 on here is absolutely intense. It's very, very crazy. I didn't expect to see that so fast, but it's actually here. So here we are, Android 17. This is the animation for it. I'm not sure what the animation does here, but this is the Android 17 animation. It looks like it's moving in slow motion, but this is to have this new update. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys discover. Definitely looking forward to hearing anything that you see so far with this new update on the Google Pixel Fold and what you've been experiencing so far with it. But let me know, comment down below. I'm really looking forward to hearing your feedback because this is actually pretty cool. Hopefully you guys did find this video helpful in any way possible. If you're still here, just type down below in the comment section. I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people, help beat the YouTube algorithm, reach a wider audience, and I'll hit you back. I truly appreciate you guys for staying locked in with me. I'll check you guys later. Namaste.